solar power has revolutionized the energy world. With tighter O&M budgets and lower tariffs, every megawatt counts more than ever. Whether you manage utility-scale or commercial sites, SkyVisor Solar is the only all-in-one software built to maximize your solar production. From routine inspection to emergency checks, the SkyVisor drone app empowers you to self-perform flights exactly when it matters most. Featuring automatic flight, terrain follow, and live defect detection, you can deliver reliable, high-quality inspection results every time, no matter who inspects. From flight to insight, SkyVisor digitalizes every detail of your site. Industry-leading AI algorithms automatically analyze your modules and help you spot even the smallest defects before they escalate. The SkyVisor Asset Management Platform allows you to get a clear overview of your site health, estimate production losses, and confidently plan your next maintenance campaign. With the SkyVisor Field app, navigate easily, assign tasks, and track fixes. From detection to production, every action is logged, giving you a complete overview across your asset's lifecycle. Join hundreds of industry leaders already self-performing their inspections. Request your demo today